Today we're going to show you a little bit of video about where we pressure washed and then stained a fairly large deck. We started with these little delicate spindles, just make sure we get them washed on both sides, get all the dirt off of them. This is a deck that we did some repairs to before we actually started on the pressure washing. You can see here I'm washing off some new boards as well as some older boards. You can really tell on the older boards how they clean up, and that's really important when you're going to stain a deck, especially the one that hadn't been restained in quite a while, because the majority of what you're washing out is just dirt. And boards stain real nice and evenly when they're clean, but when they're dirty they don't take stain well, and it just doesn't give you a real good finish. We completed this project in the summertime, so we had nice long days, and we actually were lucky and had several sunny days in a row. So we pressure washed on one day and then give it 2 days rest before we actually went back and started staining. So we had real good sunlight, and it gave the boards quite a bit of time to dry to be ready to go for the stain. We stained this deck with an electric sprayer. With all the fine art work there were on this deck, it was a good option to do that. If you want to choose one of these, just make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommendations on how to load your stain and utilize the gun properly, and make sure you clean it up every time you get through with it, because if you leave it clogged up, it'll be a mess to try to clean up later. When we got to the floorboards, we wanted to make sure as we were staining that we didn't do it too quickly, and make sure we got good coverage and overlap when we were spraying some boards. So if you do it this way, don't try to cover too much area all at once. We decided to put 2 coats of stain on this deck. It was really big and hadn't been done in quite a while. As you can see here now, that with the second coat of stain, the color consistency was really good across both the old boards and the new boards, and the owner was really satisfied with the color. And if you do one of these, hopefully yours will as well.